Hey guys, what's up? Jackson Action 12 here. Today we are going into a dark field at 10 p.m. until we get scared. And how do we get through this?
Yeah, I definitely ain't gonna ride through this one with a dirt bike.
I would.
Keep making it all the way.
That way. Come on, we're going this way.
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna
It looks like it's morning in the camera. Look at this. It looks like it's morning.
Oh my.
It's literally like if it looks like it's morning, it's literally pitch black outside. I cannot see it. I cannot see a thing. I know it's like it's 10 p.m. It's 10 p.m. in the middle of the night right now. Oh yeah. Wait, where?
Oh, it's gone. It got washed away. Look.
Oh yeah. I saw that's where Ethan crashed. Oh crap.
Yeah, that's gonna be hard to do.
It's gonna suck to get through. I told you, Pearson, it was gonna be muddy. Come on. Any coyotes?
Oh my gosh.
Which way are you going? Left or right? Or straight or right?
Let's go behind the shop.
Behind the shop? Okay. Yeah, it's definitely, it's midnight. It's like, it's 10 right now. It's like right in,
Oh yeah, I forgot. Go check my watch. It's 9:20.
yeah, it's 9:20 p.m. It's the middle of the night. Whoa. That like creeps me out.
I'm like taking it off safety right now. I'm getting kind of creeped.
And mine's been off safety the whole time.
I'm getting all the creeps right now. Stop! Don't slow me down.
No, I'm trying not to. You should not have said gun.
You show
Right
it.
here, just cross right here.
It doesn't matter if you say it, but you can't show it.
No, we can't show guns. We only have airsoft guns, but we cannot show them because they're gonna delete our channel, and that's not good.
Yep.
We love our channel.
Just for a second, we even said, please do not demonetize them.
Well, demonetize means they don't pay us anymore.
How we get out of here? I don't know. How will I get across this? Problem solver. How are we gonna get across this? I don't want to get my school shoes wet. Well, I forgot. They're already soaking wet.
There's coyotes just run for their life.
Coyotes, you get away.
What'd you? Is that like a warning shot?
Oh my gosh! I just got my whole. Oh my gosh! My whole entire shoe. There went my whole shoe.
I really hope coyote. Like I have my hand on the trigger right now. Like I'm not lying. Like bro.
What?
Ooh! Ooh! Ah! Anything?
That looks weird. There's like a hole
Where?
right there.
I really don't feel like. Okay, bro. If we see any movement at all, I'm dropping the phone, and I'm just gonna be freaking shooty doo.
Oh god, this is creepy.
Any movement, just run and shoot. No, don't run. Actually, slowly back up because they're related to dogs, and I'm just guessing that I know dogs trigger when they see quick movement, like running, and I'm guessing if we run, then we die.
Yeah,
And I don't feel like dying today. And
on video too.
yeah, on a video.
When you drop your phone, it lands in the water, and the water just starts pressing on your buttons, and it makes it actually upload.
Oh, imagine. That would be a good thing, actually, because everybody would see it, and then they'll call the cops and alert the cops and stuff, because they'll know that I went missing. So that would be a good thing if it uploads it.
My watch.
You die.
Hey,
They're gonna be behind us if they
that
come.
scared me. My watch said I just got 10,000 steps. And I was like, uh-oh, is something going wrong? I was like, is somebody texting me?
If this, they're gonna strike behind us if they come. I'm not gonna. Oh! Leave! Oh! Oh! Come on. Maybe I should just look through the camera. I can see like everything.
Oh my
Bro.
God, it scared me so bad.
Come on. What? What?
I swear, if you looked at that hole right there, if you looked, like a gap would be filled in. Like it would just fill in automatically. Like something just moved into the spot.
Come on, let's go.
Lights all down. Turn off lights. Just turn them off. Don't. I ain't gonna risk this.
I don't want to die today. Shoot.
Oh my gosh.
Warning shot. Warning shot. Shoot it. Right at it. Right at it, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I'm leaving. I'm scared, bro. Wait, which hole? Which hole? Like a shadow behind a tree?
No, like there was this like 2 branches, and in the middle it was like hollow, but then it just filled up. The whole gap just. I don't think there was anything there, but it might have just been an optical illusion. But that scared me so. I literally was breathing intensely. Did you hear me?
Yeah, I heard it, yeah. Ooh! Leave! Leave! But if I see someone's gonna be in the camera, I'm gonna be super creeped out. Hear steps. Pee when I get nervous, I gotta pee, and everything goes
Can you
wrong, and
lock
I
back
pee
on?
my pants, and I don't like it. Okay, bro, it's on. Ha! Leave! Ooh!
We're watching too many SWAT things. I
We're
know.
out. It's also no. Bro, that's not just you, bro. It's not just you. Run. Run, bro. Run, bro. Run. Wait, stay behind me. Stay behind me, bro. Stay behind me. Bro, I'm just gonna set this video.
Oh my God! Wait, did you make it pointing at us? Please don't, because then it just shot my gun.
Press off on
It does. You can't see the beam. It makes it very like.
Ah! What's wrong with you? It's stuck back. Why is it stuck back?
Okay, wait, that's it's something. It's hot. It's already hot. Okay, grab your phone.
It's stuck again. It's stuck again. Don't feel it. Oh my God, bro. I'm legit scared right now, bro.
How long is it? 9 minutes.
Okay, bro, let's go. I'm done. I'm done with this, bro.
This is getting scary.
I'm so
Wait,
scared.
let's like leave the video on until we get inside.
Bro, let's go upstairs. I swear to God, I saw something like 10 times, bro. It's not just you. It's not just you. Come on, let's go. I'm scared as heck right now.